Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add feature photos on Facebook. So first we have to open our Facebook app, or we can also open our Facebook homepage. Simply tap on it and we just open it, and first we have to go to our profile. To go to your profile, you have to tap on your profile picture, which is just above left corner, and we can see right here, and we have to tap on the edit public details, and we could see here's a feature your favorite photos and stories here, and we have to tap on the try it, allow, and we can pick any of them. So I'm simply going to select one of the photos to feature. Choose the photos you want to feature from your existing photo albums, or upload your new ones from your device. And we could see there's a next button which is on the bottom right here. Tap on it, and we could also type our collection, anything we want. So I'm typing save, and we could see on the bottom there's a save option, so tap on it there, and now it's uploading. So we could see we just added our featured photo on our Facebook, and for further we have to tap on the top left corner. So let's view our featured photos. So we have to tap on this profile section and view featured photos. Refresh it, and we could see after saving you can navigate back to your profile to see the newly added featured photos at the top of your profile. Adding featured photos is a simple way to make your Facebook profile visually appealing and share your favorite memories with friends and visitors. That's it. Now you know how to add featured photos on Facebook and make your profile stand out with your favorite moments. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video helps you, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell for upcoming uploads.